Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership. Lecture 5. In today's lecture, we will learn about building high-performing teams, understanding team dynamics, team development stages, creating diverse and inclusive teams, establishing clear goals and roles, promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability. Conclusion. Understanding team dynamics. Team dynamics refers to the way that people interact with each other in a team setting. It encompasses everything from communication styles to decision-making processes, and it plays a critical role in determining a team's success. When team dynamics are positive and productive, team members are able to work together effectively, share ideas openly, and achieve their goals. On the other hand, when team dynamics are negative or dysfunctional, team members may struggle to communicate, make decisions, and collaborate effectively. Team development stages. Teams go through several stages of development as they work towards their goals. The first stage is forming, where team members are getting to know each other and establishing their roles. This can be a challenging period as everyone tries to figure out how they fit into the team and what their responsibilities are. Next comes the storming stage, where conflicts and disagreements may arise as team members begin to assert themselves and push back against others' ideas. This can be a difficult phase, but it's also an opportunity for the team to work through its differences and establish a strong foundation for collaboration. The norming stage is where the team begins to find its rhythm and work together more smoothly. Roles and responsibilities are clearer, and there's a sense of shared purpose and commitment. This is a great time for the team to set goals and develop strategies for achieving them. Finally, the performing stage is when the team is firing on all cylinders and achieving its objectives. Communication is open and effective, and individuals are working towards the common goal with energy and enthusiasm. However, even in this stage, challenges can arise, and the team must remain vigilant to maintain its momentum. Creating diverse and inclusive teams. Having a diverse and inclusive team can bring many benefits to an organization. It allows for a wider range of perspectives, experiences, and skills, which can lead to better problem-solving and decision-making. Additionally, it creates a more welcoming and supportive work environment, which can improve employee morale and retention. To create a diverse and inclusive team, it is important to first acknowledge any biases or prejudices that may exist within the team or organization. This can be done through training and education programs. It is also important to actively seek out and recruit individuals from diverse backgrounds. Once a diverse team is established, it is crucial to create a culture that values and respects differences. This can be done by promoting open communication, providing opportunities for professional development, and celebrating cultural holidays and events. Establishing clear goals and roles. Setting clear goals and roles is essential for any team to succeed. Without clear direction, team members can become confused and frustrated, leading to decreased productivity and morale. To establish clear goals, it's important to involve all team members in the process. This ensures that everyone has a say and is invested in the outcome. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart. Once established, they should be regularly reviewed and adjusted as needed. Roles should also be clearly defined to avoid confusion and overlap. Each team member should have a specific set of responsibilities and expectations. It's important to ensure that each person's strengths are utilized and that there is a balance of workload among team members. Effective communication is key to establishing clear goals and roles. Regular check-ins and updates keep everyone on the same page and allow for adjustments as needed. It's also important to encourage feedback and open dialogue to address any concerns or issues that may arise. Promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability. Collaboration, trust, and accountability are the cornerstones of a successful team. When team members work together towards a common goal, trust and accountability naturally develop. However, it takes intentional effort to promote collaboration within a team. One way to do this is by encouraging open communication. Make sure everyone has a chance to voice their opinions and ideas. This not only fosters collaboration but also builds trust among team members. Another important factor in promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability is by setting clear expectations and goals. When everyone knows what they're working towards and how their contributions fit into the bigger picture, it's easier to hold each other accountable. Additionally, celebrating team successes and recognizing individual contributions can go a long way in building trust and fostering collaboration. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding team dynamics is crucial for team success. By recognizing the different stages of team development, creating a diverse and inclusive team, establishing clear goals and roles, and promoting collaboration, trust, and accountability, teams can work together more effectively and achieve their goals. To implement these strategies in your own team, start by assessing where your team is currently at in terms of development and diversity. Then, work on setting clear goals and roles, fostering a collaborative and trusting environment, and embracing diversity and inclusion. Remember, it takes effort and commitment from everyone on the team to create a successful and thriving team dynamic.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.